I'm going to show you guys how to properly clean your camera and the camera sensor. This works for any camera, but I'm going to be using my Z6 as an example. Check this out. What's up guys, Miriam from Camera to Freedom. If you use your camera to take photos and videos and make YouTube content so that you can live a life of freedom, then hit that like and subscribe and let's go. I'm going to go ahead and show you how to clean your camera. Okay, so instead of sending it to the shop, spending $300 to get it clean, I'm just going to show you how to do it at home. It's not that expensive too. So first off, what you want to do is go to the menu, go into the wrench icon, and then go to clean image sensor. Now you turn that on, clean now, and it's going to activate the ultrasonic vibration in the sensor. So make sure it's facing downward so that way the dust is going away from the sensor. I guess technically you could do it this way too, but I'd rather have it facing down. So we'll just let it clean, and I'm going to show you the next technique to do it. All right, and next you want to turn off your camera, right? You don't want to leave your camera on and then change your lens, because the electricity that's in the sensor will attract dirt and dust. It's just going to make it worse. So make sure your camera is always off before turning off, before exposing the sensor. So after that little vibration cleaning, you want to get a little hand pump like this, not an electronic pump because it is sensitive. You want it to be just kind of light, and push this knob close to the sensor and just blow it down. This will get rid of most of the dust. This is something that you should kind of do like weekly if you do shoot a lot, and this will get rid of like 90% of the dust that's in there, right? I do have a smudge in there that won't go away with just this technique. So I'm actually going to, let me close this, I hate exposing the sensor. So I'm actually going to use this super cheap wipe from Amazon. This is the cheapest one I could find. Now, if you're like me and you're super cheap and want to buy the cheapest items, then I do have the Amazon link below. But if you want quality, I definitely recommend K&F Concepts wipe. They actually have a bundle with just high quality wipe and just a bunch of different things like this blower and things like that. So if you want a quality one and you want to keep it on the side, for future cleaning, then I'm also going to put that link, discount code and link below as well too. But for now, I do have the cheap one, and that does work also. First thing you want to do is have a brush like this. You can use this brush to kind of just wipe out whatever dirt that's around it before you start getting in there. So this kind of makes it really nice. Now, I made a mistake a long time ago using this to clean the sensor. This was a long time ago. So dumb. I thought it wouldn't be a big deal. So once, boom, bunch of dirt got just sucked in from this assumingly clean brush. It's not clean. This brush isn't clean, especially if you've been using it to wipe your camera, right? So dumb. But that was one mistake that I will never make again, so don't make that mistake. I highly recommend this blower from Colbor. This is Airmaxx. This thing is absolutely amazing. It's super small, it's super strong, and you want to use this to clean your camera. You want to use this to clean your house. You could use it to clean like the dirt that's on the corners and hard to reach places. You could use this to clean your equipment's just daily dusting. You know what I mean? Just kind of blow it out. It's a USB-C rechargeable. You turn it on by holding the button down for 3 seconds. Now bring this all the way down to turn off the air. You can tell the green light is still on. And if you tap the power button again, there's a light in case you need to, get to places where it's kind of dark in a corner somewhere, anything like that. Use this to clean your keyboard, just everything. So go ahead and clean your camera just all the way around. So even in a hot day, you could use this to just blow air to yourself or to your family members if they're too hot. So this thing, there's so much things you can do with this little blower, and it's so small and compact. It comes with a carrying case and the USB-C cable to charge it. So it does come with a little nozzle right over here. Focuses the air right into this area, so then the air becomes even stronger. I got this discount code link below, and if you do buy from me, thank you so very much for your support. Now you want to make sure that when you clean the sensor, you're only wiping it once. And then you could flip it to the other side and wipe it once again with the other side. Now if you don't want to take a chance, you could just wipe it once and get a whole different one and then wipe it again. You never want to use it twice. You never want to wipe twice, only once. Very important. I'm a cheap dude, so I'm gonna do it myself. All right. So there is a tiny little dot right there that would not come off no matter how much I blow or how much I vibrate this thing. It just isn't coming off. And you will see that in my videos and in my photos. All right, there it is. Here it goes. One all the way to the edge. And very softly. Give it a full boom. Good. And then the other side. All the way to the edge. Out. That's it. That's all we're gonna do. This is the throwaway. Get it out. All right, guys. So that is how you clean your camera. Just very simple. You could do it. You could use. Once again, never reuse. So, summarizing it, wipe it only once on each side, throw it away afterwards, never do it again. I have made a mistake of doing it again and making it worse. So never do that. Quickly, guys, I do have t-shirts for sale. I have photographer, videographer t-shirts for sale. We have to make a living somehow. So if you do buy it from me, thank you so very much for your support. And please hook me up with your email address on cameratofreedom.com. I'm trying to give away as much as I can of photography and videography and technology and all that cool stuff, because I've been doing this for 25 years plus, and it's time to pass it down. As I'm getting older, it's time to just pass down whatever I can to just the people that needs the help out there. Back when I started, there was nothing. There was like maybe a book, some classes, some quick weekend seminars, you know, maybe a website with some things here and there. But nowadays, oh my God, you can learn everything through YouTube and social media. So I love getting comments saying like, hey man, this thing really helped me out. How cool is that? From across the world. What a fascinating world that we live in right now. So hook me up with that. Hook me up with a comment. Thank you so much for watching it all the way through. I appreciate you. And I will see you next time. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.